Remi Tinubu should bury her face in shame. Yes, I said it. She has to go and bury her face and her family in shame. She was saying that using Yoruba media, Ruben Abati, the stupid man in Arise TV, is a very useless guy. I mean Ruben Abati. No matter his degree, he is a bigot, he's a tribalist, he's a wicked and devilish guy. I mean Ruben Abati. So if Remi Tinubu, who claims to be a pastor, and the husband accepting Muslim ticket, do you get it? Because of selfishness, Remi was supporting her husband, inciting Yorubas to destroy Igbo's business all over Nigeria, which they have succeeded. Remi incited Lagosians, business people, market women to destroy Igbo people business, burn their houses, burn their markets, and destroy all their properties, which they have done in several places. Everybody can see it. I don't have to start to talk about that. Everybody saw Remi, the so-called useless pastor. You're a pastor in that stupid Redeemed Church, the biggest church in Nigeria, who is involved in deceiving people and taking money from wretched people. And they are telling me you're a pastor. Who cares about your pastorship? You are nothing. You're a criminal in your family. Trump already know your family as a drug baron family, as a certificate forger. The whole world is aware about Tinubu's family. Everybody is aware. Your son is moving up and down with his Shekugumi terrorists, negotiating with terrorists on a daily basis. What are you going to tell the world? The world already know you people. So to become a president, you people cannot be transparent in what you are doing. Who are you going to deceive? You are simply deceiving the gullibles. All the market women you lured into trying to vote you, even though they never voted for your husband, they are all suffering. Many of them lost their children out of hunger. Many of them now, you use your useless governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, to demolish where poor people are living. And you are coming out here to go to US and claim that the United States, you are saying that people in abroad are saying good of politicians in abroad, Nigerian politicians, but why those people at home are not respecting and they are talking down on the politician? Everybody talks down on Nigerian politicians because they are criminals and they are corrupt. What are you going to say about that? Right now, this stupid man you people installed there, Senator Akpabio, instead of you people to let results, electoral vote to be transmitted instantly, you went and had to bribe Akpabio so that they will do transfer. On doing the transfer, you people will not change the result. Is that not the reason why I'm rejecting it? That is the simpler reason, the singular reason why you guys are rejecting it. We all know. So don't come and tell us that Trump is praising you for doing. You are not a pastor. You are just a passersby. You are not nothing. You are not even a Christian to start with. You're a pastor. Your husband is a Muslim. And your husband is letting people die out of hunger. And you say you're a pastor. Who made you a pastor? If you are called by God and if you are doing the work of God, you will never allow your husband to even take the... Look at how your husband is falling on the street every day. Can you not tell your husband, my husband, you are old. You have become old. Stop this thing. This position does not suit you. Yes. If you love your husband, if you are not intoxicated with power, you will tell your husband, my husband, this second term, you don't need to attempt. Your life is more important. That is what a woman should tell her husband. Not allowing your husband to go and sit on a very hot seat that he cannot handle. Look at your husband. Since your husband became the president of grabbed and became the president of Nigeria, things has gone bizarre. Things has gone wrong. Hunger everywhere. Death everywhere. You went to United States to tell them that there is nothing like Christian genocide. Really? You can say that again? People that died everywhere. Benue, Autumn of Benue State shouted from the one he was there till he left. Plateau, everywhere, they are having problem. Everywhere. Fulani herdsmen want to come and take over. You are not aware until they come and knock at your door. Is that what you are telling me? You don't know. Do you think that we don't know what Shetima, your vice? You think we don't know him? Listen, Remi Tinubu, if no one knows you, we know you. We know you more than you know yourself. You have incited them just for your husband to win election. And your husband never won any election, even after your incitement. Your husband never won any election. He stole it. He grabbed it. He rigged it. And he's already prepared to rig the second one. And you are telling the world that you're a pastor. Go and bury yourself in shame with your son moving up and down, bribing terrorists, bandits, and criminals up and down. You think we are stupid? Anyway, I leave you with this, but know it that we know you, that you are just a chameleon, you are a pretender. What you are saying is not what you have in mind. Your husband is already rigging the election for not accepting the results to be transmitted instantly. That is rigging, 100% rigging. And you know it, Remi Tinubu. All the market women you are suffering. All those women, your fellow women, you suffer them. Many of them do not have money to feed their families anymore. Many have been chased away from where they are living. Many have been sent back to go to their villages. You don't know that? And you are coming out. In few months now, you will go back to them again. You will sew dirty clothes with them and give them little money. And they will come and join you, useless ones. They will come and join you. You don't know. They don't know that you are invariably luring them to come and die. That's what you are doing. Pastor Remi Tinubu, you bury your face. I don't like to see your face. Bury it with your family. Bury it. Get out of my face, animal people. With that abati, that Yoruba media you are using, with the useless Bayononoga. All of you. Okay, no problem.